How to delete a Ticketmaster account. So let's get started. Firstly, open your account. You must confirm that you have a complete access to your account. Make sure you can log into your Ticketmaster account easily if you have not used it in a while. You must be aware of your password, linked email address, and username. Now, it is not possible to quickly and simply terminate your Ticketmaster account. You must properly submit a request to have your data removed from the website. Using their privacy form is the simplest method to accomplish this. Although it takes longer, you can also write a letter to their contact address. It is now time to fill out the contact form. First, let them know that you have a Ticketmaster account. Select the option Delete My Information under Request Type. This implies that Ticketmaster will remove all of your account information. Then share your state, email address, and first and last name after that. Then simply click Submit once your information has been confirmed. Keep track of every email and supporting document after completing the Ticketmaster privacy form and submitting your information. Not to mention, be sure to delete your Ticketmaster information from any password manager you may have. You are unable to log in with the same account information since they are no longer valid. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.